everyone, and welcome back to another landscaping session. I'm out here in front of my cabin again, and this time I'm going to be doing a simple task, which was to line up the bricks in the proper way that I had planned about a day earlier. So as you can see, I'm making 2 circles, and those are going to be places for me to plant. I had daylilies, so that's what I was planting in those circles. And then I lined out the rest of the bricks to go straight along the edge of the path. And then, as you can see here, I am laying down the bricks for the path itself and arranging them in the way that I wanted them to go. So I'm going to take the rest of this time to ask you all a few questions. The first question being, how have you all been doing lately? Are you enjoying these kinds of videos? Is there anything that I used to do on my channel that you all would like for me to do again? Is there anything that I haven't done on my channel yet that you would like me to start doing? Go check out the post on my community tab to answer these questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this little time lapse. Have a great day.